Hello, today we are going to work out some math problems. Let's read the questions I've written on the board. Translate each statement into a math equation. You can see I have questions A and B. Let's read through both questions. In a country, the ratio of cars to people is 2 to 5. Answer. B. In a rectangle, the ratio of its length to its width is 11 to 7. Answer. We are going to figure out these answers. But first, let's go look at the definition. Alright, let's read through the definition like always. Definition: the ratio of A to B, denoted by A to B, is the fraction A over B. This means the phrase, the ratio of A to B is the fraction A over B. The symbol A to B is the fraction A over B. Note, A and B are non-zero fractions. Alright, this is the sentence we are going to use to help us figure out these problems. Alright, so we're going to work on problem A first. Let's read through it one more time. In a country, the ratio of cars to people is 2 to 5. Okay, if we put cars and people over here, it would say the ratio of cars to people is the fraction cars over people. We know when we do it, it looks like it's cars over people, but really it's the number of cars over number of people. Alright, so, and then the is gets turned into an equality sign, and we know that 2 to 5 is really 2 over 5. So let's write that. So I'm going to write number a little too close. Alright. Number of cars over number of people equals 2 over 5. Alright, that's the first one. Now let's do question B. In a rectangle, the ratio of its length to width is 11 to 7. Let's see if you can figure this out. Yep, you're right. We do this problem the same way as we did this one, although it's a little bit different because we have length and width. Alright, so we put the length where A is and width where B is, and it would say the ratio of length to width is the fraction length over width. And length over width is all we write. So length over width. And as before, the is gets turned into an equality sign. And then 11 to 7 is really 11 over 7. So we have now figured out questions A and B. Thank you.